my name is Maya. This is your very first time here, and this is
Amirah.
Amirah. This is my 7-year-old daughter. If you have not met her yet, she is actually always around, but sometimes she likes to make occasional appearances in my videos, and today is one of those days. If you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that button below so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. Today, I'm pretty much just doing a chill video for you guys. I kind of wanted to just talk about how to transition into fall, how to use some of your summer palettes for your fall looks. You know, just use them a little differently. Use your matte colors instead of your shimmers. Y'all know I'm a shimmer girl. But today we all matte. We all matte. I never do that. So we're gonna step outside of our comfort zone and we're gonna do this fall look. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching and I'll see y'all at the end. Alright guys, so I told you guys that I was going to be getting into a lot more fall looks. I'm still kind of in that transitional stage right now. I kind of wanted to do a quick little video about how to make sure that you can use all the summer palettes that you invested in and get your money's worth, you know, for fall. So you want to make sure that you're just going for the colors that match the season, you know. It might be a little different than what you usually go for, but you know, you can still use it. So the palette I decided to use today was my Sippin' Pretty palette, my Kylie palette from her B-Day collection, which has more of a summery vibe to it because of all the bright colors and the shimmers, but we're gonna go all matte today. And I never go all matte, so that's exciting. I'm gonna use about four, okay. About like 2 or 3 colors, more like 4 colors from this palette, but they are all matte. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And today I'm actually going to go ahead and do my top and bottom at the same time. The way I do this is I prime my eye and then I put the concealer on the bottom as well so that I have a good base for that shadow. Because what you don't want to do is put shadow over bare skin and then it's going to look kind of weird once you put on your foundation and concealer and all that, you know. Might as well just put a little bit on the bottom. Now, first color I'm gonna go into is Santeria, which is in the corner of this palette, and I love this color because it is kind of a burnt reddish color that, you know, is popping for fall. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my crease and pretty much blend that out. And the key to blending this out is to make sure that you are grabbing the edge or the end of the brush, because when you're grabbing up here you have too much control and it's hard to blend. But if you do it down here, then it's more like, you know, you can get that blend that you're looking for, baby. And at the bottom, I'm also going to lightly put this color on the bottom lash line and just dust it on the bottom lash line and connect it on the edges. So the next color in this palette I'm going to go into is Jungle Juice, and I'm going to take that same brush to blend it into my crease. This is going to give me more of that pink rosy color that I'm looking for, but you want to be really soft with this because you don't want this to be too pigmented. Then from there we're going to go ahead with the lid. This is going to be a more blended look, so we're going to pat the color on first and then we're going to blend it out. The first color that I'm going to use on the edge of the lid is Check ID, which is very pretty, like mauve matte color. I'm gonna go ahead and pat that color onto the outer lid. See, that's really pretty, and I just hate that I don't use this enough, like enough matte colors. I need to do this a little more. You can create so many pretty looks with just matte eyeshadows. Right now it's looking like it's very just there, but we're gonna blend it in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and just flip that brush around and I'm gonna go into Moscow Mule, and I'm gonna put that on the inner lid. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into Check ID. So I went for colors that are not super like bright. They're kind of muted. I feel like that's perfect for fall. You just gotta know which colors to choose. And from there, I'm gonna go back into my blending brush, and I'm just gonna pretty much not add any product yet. I'm just gonna dust over the edges of that just to blend it with the grease. See how that's just starting to blend, honey? Yeah, this is what we want. You see how when I started to blend this, you still have that like lighter part that we don't want? I'm gonna go back into Jungle Juice and just pat over that. Oh, Lord. I'm just gonna go back into Jungle Juice and just pat over that, and that's gonna help to get rid of that and make that crease darker. And the more and more I use this Kylie palette, the more I like it, just because I'm seeing so much of the variety that it offers. And I'm actually really happy that I invested in this palette because it was not cheap. I'm just saying. Better believe I'm about to be using this for summer, fall, winter, spring, year round. And so I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye with my Pretty Vulgar gel liner. Not gonna wing it out today. We're just gonna bring it right to the edge and stop it, because this is a smokier look. And then I'm gonna put on my mascara, which is the Hourglass Caution Mascara, and then I'm gonna put on my lashes as well. The way that I plan on cleaning this up, like I did this eye, is I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer before I do my face. I'm gonna put a little bit right underneath my eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. I'm just gonna bring it upward, kind of snatch that eye a little bit. And then with a brush that's not necessarily like a fluffy blending brush, just like something that's a little flatter, more concentrated, I'm gonna go over that line and pretty much just smoke it out. That's just the easy way to do it. Your eye snatched up and you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera and I'll be right back. I'm gonna use my Inspire palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to highlight with French Toast. And this highlight is a very pretty, like brownish, coppery, golden color. And it's perfect for deeper complexions. I just don't use it that often. Probably should use it more often. You just get so much makeup that it's like you forget you got stuff. Like I definitely forget that I have certain products, which is not good because I feel like I'm wasting my money if I'm not using it. But I'm getting to the point where I got so much stuff, it's just not all gonna get used. So I love that I can do these videos for you guys and I can really dig deep into my collection, pull out something I used to love, and bam, brand new look. I'm gonna blend this highlight out. Can be looking all crazy and unblended. Yeah, for lips today, I think I want to go metallic. So I have two different metallic lips. I have the NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream, and what color is this? Madrid. And then I have a lighter metallic color. I guess I'm gonna mix these. I'm gonna go ahead and put the NYX on the, you know, outline of my lips, and then I'm gonna put the Flash Metal Metallic Lip color in the middle. So I just added a little bit of lip liner to this, and I wasn't crazy about the lighter metallic color. I went ahead and used mostly the NYX all over the lips. I don't like how this lip color does in the middle. It like disappears a little bit. That's weird. And I'm done. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall tutorial video. Hey girl. Hi. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe below if you want to. And I'll see y'all on the next upload. Bye.